Using Library OneSearch. Library OneSearch is a discovery layer that enables you to search the NLU Library's print and online collections to find articles, ebooks, print books, and videos that you could use for your research. Library OneSearch will provide links to either access the resource in a database or to request the physical item. This video will demonstrate how to use Library OneSearch to find resources on your topic, request physical items available from the NLU Library or another library in the iShare system, and manage your library account. My research question is, what are effective ways to incorporate social-emotional learning in an elementary classroom? Think of individual words or short phrases that you could use to find information related to this research question. I'm going to put social-emotional learning elementary in the search box. When you begin your search on the Library OneSearch homepage, you will have the option to search everything at NLU, which searches most of the NLU Library's online databases as well as the physical collection. Search just the library catalog, which will search only the physical collections available from the NLU Library. Search just for articles, which will search only article databases, or search all iShare libraries, which will search the physical collections of all of the iShare member libraries and the ebook and print collections from the NLU Library. Once you've conducted a search, you can change where you are searching by selecting the drop-down menu next to the search box. You can use the All Items option below the search box to search for a specific type of source. Revise how Library OneSearch is searching for your search terms. Revise where Library OneSearch is searching for your search terms to find the words in a specific part of the item's record. You will see a message to sign in to get complete results and to request items. However, you will see the full search results without needing to sign into Library OneSearch. You only need to sign into Library OneSearch if you would like to submit a request for a physical item, save items to your favorites, or use the AI Research Assistant. Use the Tweak Your Results column on the left side of the page to refine your search results. Scroll down to the Creation Date option to show resources published only during a specific time period. You can click on the dates and type in a new starting or ending publication date. Click Refine to apply your date limit. You can also select other options in the Tweak Your Results column to limit your search to sources that are available online, articles published in peer-reviewed journals, or use the Resources type options to see results for only a specific type of source. You just need to click on the word in the Tweak Your Results column to apply the filter. When you search everything at NLU, you will see search results that include different types of sources that are available for you to access. For example, the first search result is for an article, and the second search result is for an ebook. Click on the title of the source to get more information and to access the item. This is the detailed information for the article. The View Online section has the link where you can access this article online in one of the NLU Library's databases. The name of the link will change depending on the name of the database where you can access the resource. Click the link in the Full Text Availability box to access the article. The article will open in a new tab. Click the Library OneSearch tab on your browser to return to the detailed information for the item. Click the X to the left of the page to return to your search results. You access an ebook the same way you would access an article in Library OneSearch. Click on the title to get more information about the ebook and to access the full-text ebook in an NLU Library database. Use the Citation option to get an APA reference for the source. Select the Details option to jump down the page to see a description for the source, and for ebooks you can often find the table of contents. Select Top to return to the top of the detailed information page. Click on the name of the database in the View Online section to open the ebook in a new tab. Click the X to the left of the page to return to your search results. You can use Library OneSearch to find physical items available from the NLU Library and also from another library in the iShare system. The iShare system enables you to request physical items from other academic libraries in Illinois to be sent to NLU for you to borrow. Select all iShare libraries from the Everything at NLU drop-down menu next to the search box. Select Books from the All Items menu below the search box to show only books that are related to your research. Click the Search button. Click on the title to get more information about the book and to place a request for the book to be sent to your preferred pickup location for you to borrow. This book is not available from NLU, but it is available from another library in the iShare system. You will need to sign into your Library OneSearch account in order to submit a request. Click the Sign In link and select NLU students, staff, and faculty, and then sign in with your NLU username and password. Click the Request Item via iShare link. When you click the link to request the item, it may take a few seconds for the request form to load. You will get a message if the item is available to be requested. Scroll down the form to select your preferred pickup location. You can select to pick up your book at the Chicago or Wheeling campus libraries, or select NLU Home Delivery to have the book checked out and shipped to your home. If you live near another library in the iShare system, you can select the school's name from the preferred pickup institution menu. Click the Send Request button to submit your request. In Library OneSearch, you can see all the items you have borrowed and also see the status of requests you have submitted. You will need to be signed into your Library OneSearch account in order to see your account information. Click in your name in the upper right corner and select Library Card. Under All Institutions on the left side of the page, you will see a list of every library where you have borrowed an item from. Select Has Activity from the All Institutions menu to see only the libraries where you currently have activity. You will see information for loans borrowed from the NLU Library on the Overview page. Under Requests, you can see the status of items that you have requested but have not yet been received. Select the library from the Has Activity column to see the items you have borrowed from that library or any requested items available for you to borrow. Click Renew All in the Loans box to renew the item. If you have requested an item that is available to borrow, you will see the item information in the Requests box. Library OneSearch is a great starting point for research by enabling you to find items relevant to your research topic with only one search. Email the NLU Library at library@nl.edu with questions.